Hello. You may come in.
I can see. It's right here. There.
Make sure you can't see. Can you
It's
see?
falling.
Can you see? Then make sure you're holding that on your eyes.
Okay. I'll put it.
There you go. Come and stand right here. Make sure you can't see.
Can't see anything.
You may stand right here. I will tell you to start in a second. Welcome to the autopsy room of the Jonas Brothers and the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms. A very sad story to be told today after the loss of Madison, Charlie, Jeremy, Owen, Nick, Joe, and Kevin. They were all at a party
I'm scared.
at the Haunted Firehouse. If you knew the Jonas Brothers show, you would know where the fire, but something went bad. Dum dum dum.
Is something gonna be alive?
And they all died.
Is something gonna be alive?
I don't know.
Please say not.
Please put your hand in the very first one,
Okay, where is it?
right here, which is Jonas Brother and Julie and the Phantoms vomit.
Cold. It's cold.
Put your hands in more. It's the vomit because they all died from eating something very sick.
I'm not putting more in.
Next. Come here, little girl. We have Jeremy and Nick's eyeballs. No, right here. Pick up an eyeball. How do they feel?
They are fake.
Next. Unfortunately, Charlie Gillespie's hand. Nope, back this way. Charlie Gillespie's right hand.
Fake.
Here we go.
Fake.
Next, we have Joe Jonas's eyebrows.
Oh, spiders.
You are cheating. Are you seeing?
No, I can't
Oh.
see. They feel
Hold on.
it.
You gotta close the door. Then the next challenge, unfortunately, we have Jonas Brother and Julie and the Phantoms ears. Please touch their ears. How do they feel?
They feel like something.
Keep going. Next, we have Madison Reyes and Kevin Jonas's toes.
Those carrots.
You pooper, you can see.
No, I can't.
Now, unfortunately, who stole your heart and Jade's heart in Julie and the Phantoms?
Charlie?
Here's Charlie's heart.
Where?
It's still beating for love for the
Where is
cast
it?
right here. Right here. The cast of Julie and the Phantoms.
Ew!
Oh, how did you like that one? That's Charlie's heart. Would you like to touch it again?
No!
Why not?
I don't like it.
Oh, okay. Come along. Come along. You know what? The next time we do this, we're going to move the chairs. Next, we have Owen's brain.
Oh, I don't want to touch that.
Owen's brain.
Ew!
What's it feel like?
Feels like poop. Okay.
Next, we're coming over here to the cast of the Julie and the Phantoms earwax.
Oh, I don't want to touch that.
Earwax, Zoe.
Where is
Right
it?
here. Right here, Zoe.
I can't
Okay, we'll
see.
put it right here.
Ew!
Now I'll put your hand in again. It's earwax.
Ew! Just a little bit.
You're going the wrong way. Next, we have Jeremy and Madison's wet skin. It was peeling off their bodies when it was found. Can you turn this way, please? This is Madison and Jeremy's skin. Pick it up.
No, I tried it. I ordered.
Unfortunately, who is your favorite Jonas brother?
Nick.
No, well, next we have Nick's Jonas liver. Here you go.
What's that? Ew.
It's Nick Jonas's liver.
I don't like it.
Dum 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 dum. Now we have a bonus. When we found Joe Jonas's boogers, we found Joe Jonas's hair. You can start with the boogers. Over here, honey. Joe Jonas's boogers.
Cool.
But we have, remember when Joe shaved off his hair?
Yeah.
Here's his hair.
Oh, that's good.
Next, we have all three Jonas Brothers and the cast of Julie and the Phantoms' fingernails. Put your face up.
Okay.
The fingernails of everybody.
They feel like gunflower seeds.
You can see. And unfortunately, the end of our autopsy, Zoe, is the Jonas Brother and the Julie and the Phantoms cast. Their guts.
Noodles.
The guts.
They're noodles.
Oh, dum dum dum. You are now able to look at the autopsy of the Jonas Brothers.
What?
Nick Jonas's liver. Oh, which one did you not like the
What's
most?
this? Ew.
Which one did you not like the most?
I feel
You didn't like Charlie's heart.
No, I didn't. It feels so weird. I knew that was carrots. I knew it was spider. Ew.
Oh.
I knew this was fake.
Ah,
I knew it
dum
was
dum
fake.
dum. Part 2's coming next.